Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on the Nigerian stock market half-year review and outlook. The Nigerian stock market has shown an impressive performance this year as the Nigerian Exchange All-Share Index (NGX-ASI) reached 100,057 points and provided a year-to-date return of 33.8%. The NGX-ASI tracks the performance of all stocks on the Nigerian exchange, with results varying across sectors and individual stocks. The stock market capitalization, often referred to as market cap, rose by 15.7 trillion naira since the year began to 56.6 trillion naira at the end of June 2024. The market cap is a financial metric used to determine the total market value of a publicly traded company's outstanding shares. It is a key indicator that helps investors assess the company's size and overall market value. By sector, the industrial goods sector led with a 73.1% return, followed by the consumer goods at 41.1%, oil and gas at 38.1%, and insurance at 21.4%. However, the banking sector was the only laggard, posting a negative performance of 7.5%. Stock investing is suited for investors with a medium to high risk appetite due to the inherent price fluctuations. Investors can earn two types of returns from investing in stocks. 1. Dividend return. This is the portion of a company's profit or cash flow that is distributed to existing shareholders. This return is also called dividend yield, which is the total dividends, interim and final, received per share divided by the price per share. 2. Capital appreciation. This gain occurs when the current market price of a share exceeds its purchase price. Depending on your investment strategy, you may choose to sell the shares to realize these gains. A total number of 165 stocks are currently listed on the Nigerian exchange. 81 stocks have gained, which is increased in prices this year, while 45 stocks have lost, declined in prices, and 39 stocks remained unchanged, no gain or loss this year. The top 5 gainers this year include Julie, 1,508.4%, Geregu Power, 150.6%, Veritas Capital, 150%, Julius Berger, 127.9%, and Dangote Cement, 105.3%. On the other hand, the top 5 losers are DA Communications, 48.5%, Multiverse, 45.2%, CNI Leasing, 41.8%, NASCON, 31.8%, and Cavertine, 28.1%. The review of domestic and foreign transaction reports as of May 2024 shows that the domestic investors accounted for 79.6% of total transactions, while the balance of 20.4% is by foreign investors. A further breakdown of the domestic investments shows that the domestic retail investors accounted for 49%, which is 885.2 billion naira of total transactions, while domestic institutional investors accounted for 51%, which is 906.1 billion naira. The foreign investors have recorded a net outflow of 76.7 billion naira this year. However, the data showed increased activities in foreign portfolio investments, increased by 361% to 458 billion naira as at May 2024, relative to a total of 99.3 billion naira for the year 2023. In the second half of the year, we anticipate that the Nigerian stock market will remain volatile due to the high interest rate environment, which supports better risk-adjusted returns. Furthermore, the bank's capital raising activities could cause a decrease in the share prices as a result of an increase in outstanding shares. However, for long-term investors, it is advisable to consider companies with strong operational performance and a consistent history of paying dividends for at least 4 out of the last 5 years. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send an SMS to 070-82463747. Stay blessed.